Hello, this is Alex from Bamboo Solutions, and today we're going to go over the Bamboo installer for classic pages on Office 365 SharePoint. First things first, you're going to go to shop.bamboosolutions.com and go to your account. Log into your account or register with us. On the right hand side, you'll see My Product Versions, or the first thing that shows up on your page will be the product licenses area here. And our download will be Download Bamboo Installer for Cloud Parts. So you'll click that. I've already downloaded it. And inside right now, you're going to see 3 files. Today we're going to be working with the HTML Bamboo Installer. Next, you'll want to make a new SharePoint site. It will be a team site with classic experience. And I've already created that as well. Next, on the site itself, here's the new page. We're going to go to Site Contents, then to Site Assets, and you will upload the file directly into Site Assets. Once you have that file, you'll grab your URL that you will actually be pointing to this installer through the content editor. So let's go back to that page. Edit the page. And insert the content editor. There we go. And here we are. It's going to be under Media and Content. Content Editor. Add that to the page. After that, you go over here to the right-hand side of the screen, and there's a little drop-down caret. We're going to edit the web part. And in this content link, you are going to paste in the location to the Bamboo installer. So after site, it would be the name of the page, then site assets, then bamboo-installer.html. Hit OK on that. And you'll see our installer show up. Save the page. And then once you're done, then you can point to any site collection URL. You can use multiple ones separated by commas. And in this case, you'll be installing for Classic. So you would select Classic. Then you would install the zip file packages for the products, Calendar Plus and the like, using this product zip file option to upload that. Our products come with a 30-day license, and if not, if you already had purchased, we will be able to get you a license file, and you can also generate those yourself. Once that's done, you'll hit the load cloud part, and if it is successful, over on the bottom left-hand corner here, it will show a message that it's complete, and there's an option to check logs as well. I'm Alex, and this has been a showcase of installing the Bamboo installer on classic site pages.